Enterprise Management 360.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Tech Chat. Thank you so much for joining us today. I'm really looking forward to be speaking with Andreas Koenig, who is the CEO at ProGlove. In particular, he's going to be discussing wearable technologies in the workplace with us. So let's go ahead and find out his thoughts on the matter. It's great to have you here, Andreas. Thank you for joining us.
Yeah, thanks for having me. It's a great pleasure.
In the age of digital transformation, all sorts of innovations are being pulled out of the bag and put into the enterprise, one of which is wearable technologies. What examples of wearable technologies can you give us, and how do these better the enterprise?
Yes, so I have a strong belief that important industry or technology innovations are happening pretty much in a wave of 10 years. And I think the wave that we're currently seeing is the wave of industrial wearables. The area that we have started, and we are the first ones, are using the glove or the hand, and therefore the glove connected with the glove, that is really giving a digital innovation. Because we believe that the glove is, and also the hand, is a very natural extension to how people interact with the world. And therefore, I think it's a great innovation that we are delivering at the moment.
Brilliant, that sounds fantastic. How might then wearable technologies change the way employees wearing it work and how they perform their tasks?
People used to have bulky equipment in the hand. They used to wear bulky equipment. They had to interact with equipment far away from where they work. They had to move forth and back. And I think through wearables and the way how wearables are constructed at the moment, it really introduces a new way of interacting with your digital surrounding. I think what's now happening is that people are having the equipment right on the body. So it becomes a virtual extension of the way they move, the way they work. And this is how people actually see the changes coming. And I think that's also how it's going. It needs to be very ergonomic, lightweight, very intuitive. And that's how I see industrial wearables going.
That's very insightful, Andreas. Do you have any final thoughts for the workplace of tomorrow?
I think that in the future, humans, with everything they wear, the digital wearables and equipment they have on their body, in their gloves, in their wearables, is gonna make them interact with their digital surrounding in a supernatural way. So Industry 4.0 or IoT at the moment stops with the machines, but I think the future is that the machines and the human will be interconnected in a very natural way. Is this something that's going to happen overnight in 1 year or so? Probably not. But I think if you go walk through a manufacturing site or a shop floor at the car manufacturer or at any other manufacturer or into a logistics center, you will see that happen.
Thank you so much for joining us for another episode of Tech Chat. And thank you once again to Andreas for the insightful discussion. If you're interested in generating leads for your business, then head on over to our Tell Us Your Audience page, where we can distribute your content across North America, APAC and Europe, delivering SQLs and MQLs right back to you. In the meantime, make sure you're following us on Twitter and LinkedIn, and head on over to our website em360tech.com for more great content.